would like to congratulate Dr. Khalid Al Nuaimi, Saad Al Sogair, and all the organizing committee for such a wonderful meeting, very well organized, and the scientific program is really good with many participants from all over the world, and what a lovely exhibition. And really, it's my first time to attend or to lecture in MEIDAM. I have 2 lectures tomorrow, and I was really surprised with this amount of participants, with this number of exhibitors, and I'm sure that they will be much more next year and the year after.